Hey guys, it's your girl leeshenelle and I'm back with another video. I will be showing you today how to do a sleek puff, but here are some of the things that I will be using. I'll be using Eco Styler gel, ebin edge control, edges brush, but you can use a toothbrush, a regular brush, a wide tooth comb, and I'll also be using a headband. First, I'm just going to take out these twists that I have in my hair. I washed my hair last night and it's fully dried, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that.
The distance has been killing us, but please don't give up, 'cause I don't want to lose your love. I know that we can lose in touch, but we can't let this ruin us. That's why as soon as I get home, all I wanna do is make love.
Now I'll be taking my wide tooth comb, detangling my hair, starting from the ends, working my way down to the roots.
As soon as I get home, I don't see the use of driving Mercedes if I can't drop that type of chip, babe, or traveling all around the world if I ain't staying fly with my girl. Ooh, I know that I've been on the road a lot.
Now I'll be taking a small hair tie and I'll just put it at the end of my hair, and then after that I'll be applying gel.
Don't give up, 'cause I don't want to lose your love. I know that we can lose in touch, but we can't let.
Now I'll be taking the ebin edge control and just putting it at the tip of my edges.
Soon as I get home, all I want.
Now I'll just be using my brush to just smoothen it out. If there's any parts that needs to be smoothened even more, I'll take out the loose hair tie as mentioned before and just detangle it and then go back over it with the brush.
I've been going crazy.
Now I'll be removing the small hair tie. I'm just going to use my comb, go back over it again, and use the brush to go back over it just to make sure that my hair is not knotted, as long as it's smooth and it's detangled.
Make love to you.
Now I'll be using the headband. What I did was I cut it in half, and as you can see, once I put it on my head, at the back I will be tying it and then pulling it on each end so that it can gather my hair to bring it up into that sleek puff that I want. And as you can see, I'm pulling on each side just to make sure that it goes up neatly. If it gets too tight, guys, you can just easily just loosen it a little bit. Now I'm just gonna slay them edges using my ebin edge control once again. Honestly, I love this product. Like, I've been using ebin edge control for like the longest time now, and it always like keeps my edges slayed. Like, it's laid pretty much. So I'm just gonna go back over it. I'm not the best person with baby hair, guys, so just bear with me.
Playing while we make love. Ooh, I know that I've been on the road a lot. And you've been home alone too much. I know the distance has been killing us, but please don't give up, 'cause I don't want to lose your love. I know that we can lose in touch, but we can't let this ruin.
So now I'm just gonna add more gel to my hair. I like to do this at the end because it just gives my hair that smooth look. Now I'm gonna take my headscarf and I'm just gonna tie that down and keep it on for about 10-15 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm just gonna remove my scarf, and there you have it, a sleek puff. Okay, now I'm being extra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very, very, very detailed and you guys understood everything that I was doing. If you like my video and you would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that subscription button, also hit the bell beside it so you can see whenever I post more videos. As well, please feel free to leave your comments below. Alright, bye guys.
Lose